noisy in here. I think Snap-on's here. Let's get it started. Snap-on Wednesday. All right, let's go. Oh yeah. Oh, so how are you, Tyler?
How could I be any better?
Oh man, look at the color on that thing too.
Right, that's cranberry.
That's the same color as Jordan's box, yeah. That is so nice.
Lights under the worktop. You open a drawer.
Look at that. So what's the trade-in on my box now? And that's a nice color. I like that too with the Epic. That is extremely useful. You can turn it off and on. That's cool.
When I unpackaged it, the box
it stays.
I busted the
Oh, did you?
button off. So I got a new one.
So now
coming.
I just fucked you right over, didn't I? Oh, there you
No.
go. So reach all the way to the bottom.
Yes, sir.
Look at that. That's no light. That's no like magic either.
Snap-on magic.
Yeah, that is that's impressive. I like it. Rhino line top or bed liner.
Same thing.
Yeah,
Same thing.
it's kind of shiny. Like there's less grip to it than there used to be.
And now, raised lip all the way around.
Nice. Contains your oil
In the
spills.
olden days, it
Yeah.
used to be just around the front.
Yeah, so when you spill your coffee, it doesn't go down the back of your box.
And back out at your feet 20 minutes later.
New fold-out Allen keys. More pieces than ever before. There's actually 3 sections that fold out, so
Oh yeah,
they go bigger.
it's nice having the
Merino wool socks.
what? Sorry, what was that again?
Merino wool.
Merino wool.
Yeah.
What is that?
Really good wool.
Wool from a merino?
Really good wool.
For your diesel guys.
Ball socket for Ford Super Duty. Oil rail. Cool.
Or instead of buying a full set of AN wrenches, they are AN inserts,
Oh,
and then you can just replace the inserts.
oh, that's cool. Interesting. Soft jaw wrench.
Downtown. Now they make these for a number of manufacturers. The one I have out is just for the Fords, but it's a drill template for exhaust manifold studs. So you go right down the center.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, I've had my share once of Ford
So they make them for
manifold.
They make them for Dodge and everything too,
Yep.
and all that stuff. So you have the template. That's useful for all you Ford guys out there.
Yeah, I had to do one once.
Here you go, picking on Fords again.
I wasn't
right
picking on
idea.
Ford. I was just saying that's fucking useful for all the Ford guys.
Big ass engine.
Right, so that's
millimeter
that's
bolts.
for the 6 and 6.4 diesel, but
Yeah, I mean I've done
we got them for the Hemis. We got them for
I've done the Hemis.
oh, see, there's another Ford one at random picked out 4654. Oh, and the V10 6.8. Same idea, same tooling, just a
Interesting.
different plate.
Yeah, that would have definitely come in handy when I did one.
Yeah, I've done like half a dozen Hemis, but that's about it. I've lucked out. I haven't had to deal with really shitty ones.
Then you have gotten lucky.
Yeah.
Mine, they all broke right at the fucking block for the head.
Yeah.
New parts bins. There are multiple sizes of them, but so for those plates that you can bolt to the end of your toolbox, like the one that I have up against the back
And
wall.
that bolts to the handle, like the handle.
Well, this
area.
is for our slots and dots.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
like you could put that on the back of your workstation.
Yep. But yeah, like, so but it bolts through where the.
No, yeah,
hand- where
the
handle would
plate
be.
bolts on where the
Yeah.
handle would be.
Can you
yes.
bolt the handle on top of it?
You can do anything you want.
I guess so if you had long enough bolts, right?
Typically, though, you're going to put this
Yeah.
panel on the rigid
Yeah.
caster end and the handle on the swivel caster end. But if you wanted one on both sides,
Well, just like any other Epic, though, we have
and so those are parts bins for
casters all over.
those panels or for your workstation.
That's cool. Are those for all the boxes? Or is
panels?
Was that just for the Epic or?
Masters and Epic.
Okay.
Well, and some of the Classic. It's a different size.
Yeah, these high vis gloves.
High vis.
Oh, damn it!
Cut resistant.
What's that?
High vis and cut resistant.
Those get dirty super quick though. In our shop.
Jumper cable set. Hardwire it, and then you just got the plug on the front.
Oh, look at that.
Or if you're a wheeler and you've got a Warren winch setup,
Yeah.
the cables would plug right into it.
So you just hook this up to your battery and then you connect these together for storage.
Sure. That would work.
Then you got your own welding kit.
Yeah. Whoa. Let the smoke out.
Oh yeah.
And I had the welder in there last week, right?
Yes, you did. Yeah, you did. Yeah.
Fuck, that's beautiful.
That is super cool, actually. Let's see if I can. Oh yeah, there you go. So do they make these just to make it in like the 86s and 60s? So this is a 68, and then they like the 72s and all that stuff too. That's awesome.
Right
like
now,
it.
for
It's,
Epic only, I can foresee that they will have it for the Masters.
Yeah.
Never for a Classic or Heritage series because the front of the box is flush.
Right.
So like the worktop here extends over the front of the
Yeah.
box. Same with on a Masters, it would come out right to the edge of the trim. Whereas on a Classic or a Heritage, you don't have this, and the handles are set.
It's just all flush. Like Jesse's box is flush.
Yeah. So there's no way to make the light shine down unless it extended over the front of the box, which would look.
It's nice to see it in real. It's cool. I like it.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Well,
really nice.
Yeah.
You need one, Vince.
You need a snap-on
I
box
would
first,
like
Vince.
to have one.
We make dreams come true here at
much?
Snap-on Tools.
Yeah. Then I go home and it's a nightmare.
Yeah.
How much?
Or how many do you need to try? 6?
Yeah.
It's as much as you want to pay for it.
$18.
How many payments of $18?
Yeah. For the rest of your life.
For the rest of my life.
$18 a day?
A year, buddy. Year.
Well, that's a deal breaker.
$18 for a year.
So it was either the batteries
Yeah.
or the corrosion on the one that I sanded down.
Yeah, because you didn't put the batteries back in it, did you?
No.
Fucking chassiers. They just lay in the shop until someone needs them, and then it's fucked by then.
Thanks. How much do I owe you for the batteries?
Is that yours?
No.
Are you gonna buy the batteries?
No.
Why don't you go try your own?
Try them again.
I
can't buy batteries off of you?
Sure you can. Absolutely. I'll be more than happy to sell you the batteries.
I'll go try it. Yeah, I'm gonna go check. There's something I wanted warranted. I can't remember now. So I'll
Okay.
be back.
I'll
Right,
wait
well-
here for you.
I gotta go inside too. Get back to work. All right, we'll see you in the shop, guys. So I'm not in the shop right now. You guys changing our door springs and it's fucking super loud in there. So I'm just gonna finish off the video. You guys saw the truck stuff and all that stuff, and the new top looks super cool. You know, if I wasn't getting a top from Shark, I would be getting that top. It's super nice. So anyway, guys, not much going on in the shop right now, as I just said, but it is fucking noisy in there. So we're just gonna stop the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed Snap on Wednesday. Yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you guys. I'll see you next week. Yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, as I said. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I'll see you in the next one.